Elliot claimed there was a lady out there who thought slot car racing was stupid.
Guilty.
Ooh, it's beautiful. I built it. I stayed up till 2 in the morning. Although I used a motor that was given to me by a competitor. It blew up quickly. What's up, people? We are at the Shinoda slot car reunion race here at Downriver Speedway and Hobby in Lincoln Park, Michigan. I got it. Yes. Let's go inside. Thank you. What up? Hey. What's your name?
Joe.
Why are you here?
I own the place. Pretty good reason.
I think that's a pretty good reason. What do you think of this Shinoda reunion race?
I think it's a great tribute. We have a great bunch of cars here. Did you see that cars up on the front table there?
Oh yeah.
What an amazing collection of cars. What an amazing collection. Beautiful paintwork here. Awesome.
For sure.
Yeah, it's a great thing. It's a fun day. Always has been. Good
I agree. Well, it's a great hobby. It's real racing. It's just smaller.
It is real racing.
And the people are here really nice.
Absolutely. We got a great crowd of guys.
Except this guy.
Crowd.
I can attest it. It will mess with your
You were in
heart.
Ohio State hat in deep in Michigan territory.
I ain't scared.
Right. What's your deal? What's your name?
I mean, I would hope you know my name by now.
I know what your name is. They don't know your
Yeah,
name.
that's true. I'm Elliot. And
Why are you here? Why are you on the floor?
well, because it's hard to shoot slot cars.
I know
It's
that.
not easy to get good shots of them, but because they're smaller scale, but it's a fun challenge.
That's true. Elliot's running the race. It's your deal.
It is.
Are you happy with it?
Considering that this is the highest amount of cars we've ever had.
Oh yeah, this is crazy, man.
And this is
how,
not-
how many you got here?
There are 54 cars in competition right now for show judging.
Yes.
And there's even more cars that are in boxes around
Oh.
here that aren't being judged. So
Yes.
that really says something special when you've got that many cars. You know, and there's a couple original cars here, which is always special. And of course, in a second, we're going to do People's Choice, which everyone gets their own ballot and gets to vote for their own favorite.
Yes.
And the fact we've had cars sent in from across the world.
Oh, indeed. Where are the far distances they've come from?
Furthest traveled here is Australia.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Which one is that?
There's two of them.
Let's see here.
So, right there. So that's,
Oh, wow. This retro Tom one, huh?
Yeah.
From Australia. Cool. What else? What do you think, Mom?
Awesome.
Yeah? You enjoyed bringing them out? They look like they're having fun.
Yeah. There's soccer moms and hockey moms and slot car moms.
Whoa! True. Well, it's exciting to have them out. Okay, now you're gonna beat your brother?
Yeah.
Yes.
No. You will never. I'm orange car now. Woo! That's my favorite. You will never beat me. I am blue. You shall never beat blue. Blue is blue.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing okay.
Yeah? This is the first time you came to this track, right?
Very first time.
What do you think of it?
Oh, great. I wish I would have came here earlier.
Also, racing is going on, and I just did the vintage race, and I blew up 2 motors. No joke, like right away. I finished the worst I ever have in any race, whether it's small or big. So it started with this. It's beautiful. I built it. I stayed up till 2 in the morning. Although I used a motor that was given to me by a competitor. It blew up quickly. It's all Elliot's fault. Elliot, I'm calling you out.
It is my fault.
Yeah, get in here and tell him that.
Yeah.
We blame Elliot. What's with this motor, dude?
Well, I mean, it was from a parts box, and it had a cool looking arm on it, and it
You
made
get what
good
you pay
noises.
for, right?
Yeah. I mean, it is
It's
an
seized.
old Ohio motor, but
It's from Ohio.
yeah.
Are you calling out Ohio?
No, I love Ohio.
All right, so
I'm calling
that
out my
was
motorboat.
that. So that didn't work, and then I decided to go for style, so I ran this, and then the motor got hot and started dying, so I'm like, I won't blow up too. It still goes a little. And then I went to the backup, which I had not tested at all. It was not optimized to be worth a darn. But I did run it. Look, the tires are dark. So, come here. We're running the second vintage race, which is going to be better than what I did, because I was terrible. Here we go. Oh, yes. Work, Casey, work. Look at this. This is great.
All right, we're good.
I'm sitting down.
Good.
Turbo. Turn marshalling in camera. I can do that. Turn marshals should not wear shirts that say Crusher.
Except
Oh, okay, fair enough, fair enough.
back crusher.
All right, all right. Yeah, next year I have to come back and not suck. All right, so I'm back. So the most important thing today is the Concours. And I'm very happy to have won People's Choice with the Winged Beast. Yes. And the Downriver Award with the Snazzy Riot. Special shout out to Gene Powell and Kelly Stegman. You know what I'm talking about. All right, and what else? Oh yes, this. Also for the Winged Beast. So here's the deal. My strategy is much like Hollywood in America. You don't need good actors as long as they're pretty and they still bring home the trophy, right? So it's pretty, it doesn't matter if it's fast, and that's what we'll remember, right? Yeah, okay. We don't do that at Genius Garage, just me, because I don't have time for this. So, you know, see, pretty is lasting. Races are only once. Remember that. Okay. I'm giving terrible, Elliot, I'm giving terrible advice to the world.
I don't know, it sounded pretty good to me.
It sounded good?
Yeah.
Why?
You expect him to get good.
Who, him? Oh, I'm getting on this. Who are you laughing at?
I'm
this Elliot
Elliot's
man?
best friend, Kira.
You are, huh? And
Yeah.
you don't think he gives good advice?
No,
Why not?
because he's.
Are you racing? Is this your car?
This is my car.
Well, that's
Yes.
good advice. He
Yes.
told you should race.
Yeah.
Why are you racing now?
He dragged me to this a few years ago, and since then I've come a couple times, and it's been great.
Okay. Elliot claimed there was a lady out there who thought slot car racing was stupid.
Guilty.
Ooh. And then you did it.
Yes.
And then what's up with that?
And it was fun after I figured out how to not fly off the track all the time.
Well, how did you do that?
Time and patience.
Time and patience.
Yeah. Go figure.
I forget time and patience. You just have to look pretty.
Yeah.
And you got a nice pretty. Didn't I win something today?
It did.
Oh, what up?
Yep.
Yes. So between you and me, we have cleaned up the Concours world.
Very much so.
Racing is for suckers. Looking pretty is where it's at.
Oh, yes.
Okay, see, wait, these people are racing back there. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that. We're just sitting over here looking pretty. Okay. Do you have anything you want to tell young people, young ladies, or anything out there?
Give it a try. It's a lot more fun than you think, and it's not nearly as stupid as you'd expect.
Honest words. I like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honesty wins.
I don't have anything intelligent to say right now. I should.
Just stand there and look pretty.
Anything deep in the... Oh, look pretty. Yes, yes. Okay, we're gonna go now. Ready.
Blame it on Elliot.
This is great. It's on camera. Don't tell me that crap.
Ask me no questions, I'll tell you no lies.
Eat over. That car. Yeah. That really did make a difference. I can feel it.
Too close for that.
You're my buffer.
Most of it.
Yes, that was the day. It was a snazzy riot. Says so on my car if you don't believe me. Anyway, that was a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the videos. I got a trophy. Yay. I still got my butt kicked. Was that like 4th place?
Yeah, but I mean, you were running.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I'm not that smart.
At least it wasn't a participation trophy like mine was.
What?
Oh, that's nonsense.
6 out of 6.
Well, we had a good time.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to tell everybody?
Oh boy, well, we're gonna do this again next year.
Here, get up in here.
Yeah. Here, we gotta move over.
Doing it again next year?
We're absolutely gonna do it again next year.
Yes.
We are also in the process of, in about 2 months from now, and you'll find information on this from the Shinoda Reunion page.
Yeah.
We're going to do a Garvik versus Classic race here.
That's in 2 months?
We're scheduled for 2 months, and it's going to be completely stock cars. So ready to run
really?
cars
Okay.
that you would have bought over the counter.
Yeah, I've got one of those.
And because that's the thing, almost everyone has one of those, which is fantastic because it means everyone can come out, and it's going to be, we're going to see after 50 years which one actually was better.
Yeah.
Because no one ever has. There's so many classic matchups where you can take all these cars.
Oh, that's true. Classic
there's certain
versus
brands that are
I
so
got a
close.
classic right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like one of these.
The most
Yeah, the Man
produced
Ray.
slot car thingy of the 60s.
Ooh. Yeah, so we're gonna run these. They'll be stock. You guys might have some of these in your attic somewhere. So that's gonna be great.
Yeah.
And also, Elliot and I are doing the Young People program. We're gonna start that probably mid-January. Probably go for 6 to 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Sundays, early afternoon. Young people between the ages of 8 and 13. Long story short, they have to write a 1-page paper, essay, email to Genius Garage. You can find us there, geniusgarage@hotmail.com, saying, why they're a good person for the program, why this program will mean something in their lives in the future, and why they like racing and building cars.
And car design as well.
Yeah,
because
car design.
we're going to teach them how to design their own paint schemes
Yeah.
and really go step by step. So this way they can understand in the future, hey, I might want to go down this route opposed to that route. So
well, and the nice thing about the program too, not only is it empowering the young people to learn and do and compete in sportsmanship, but we're also planting the seeds so that the young people and their parents or legal guardian or grandparents, whoever comes with them, they can do something together.
yes, absolutely.
And the program, if you get accepted, will be completely funded.
Yes.
So scholarships paid by nice people through Genius Garage, and the slot car community like Professor Motor and JB here at Downriver. And it's just going to be a wonderful thing. So we hope you all enjoy. And of course, you get to keep everything when you're done with it, so you can slot car race indefinitely and have a great time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can bring your friends out then as well, and then you can get them into it. And next thing you know, you'll have a friends group at school that you can come down on the weekends or after school at night, and all you guys can race together. And you can have your own race series.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
Or when you travel, you can find whatever track is closest to your friend and go race
That's
there.
true.
We've done that, and let me tell you, it is a great adventure.
that is true. That's really fun. And the other thing too is that these aren't just models.
Yeah.
I mean, this is real racing.
It is.
Like I mean, fun. I've raced at Indianapolis. I have just as much fun doing that.
Oh, yeah.
And it's actually closer racing, and there's a lot that you can take away from this to real racing and real building. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and that if you know young people in the kind of greater Detroit area or Toledo area that want to be involved with that you have them write a letter and talk to their families. So, that it?
Absolutely. I think so. I mean, we had a blast. It was definitely a great day. And you know what? It's always a fantastic day. And I really can't thank you enough for coming out here and joining us, because this really has meant a lot to the entire slot car community.
Oh yeah, I mean, this is an amazing event you put on, and the world should just come and have fun with us.
Absolutely.
So, I hope to see you guys next time. In the meantime, please share this for all the young people out there to get involved. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.